Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best mobile standing desk is probably one of the most versatile pieces of office furniture you can buy today, offering a dynamic way to work, create, or simply stay active throughout your day. Whether you're looking to improve your posture, boost your energy levels, or just add a touch of modern flexibility to your workspace, a mobile standing desk can be a game changer, allowing you to seamlessly transition between sitting and standing positions without disrupting your workflow. This review will dive deep into what makes a mobile standing desk truly stand out, helping you find the perfect fit for your home or office environment. Number 5. SHW40 Mobile Electric Standing Desk. Introducing a standing desk designed for your dynamic lifestyle. With its mobile technology, you can easily move it from room to room, or keep it stationary with adjustable glides. Experience enhanced comfort with its curved edge desktop, providing ergonomic wrist support. This feature is designed to reduce fatigue during long work hours. Effortlessly switch between sitting and standing with its motorized lift system. Adjust the height from 28 to 45 inches to find your perfect ergonomic position. Keep your essentials organized and within reach with the built-in storage drawer. Maintain a clutter-free environment to boost your focus and efficiency. Optimize your workspace organization with convenient side hooks. Easily hang headphones, bags, or other daily essentials to keep them off your desk. This desk offers a generous 40-inch wide top and a substantial weight capacity of 110.2 pounds. It's built to support your work needs effectively. What we like. This desk offers effortless electric height adjustment for seamless transitions between sitting and standing. It also features an integrated storage drawer to keep your workspace tidy and hanging hooks for accessories. If you're looking for a comfortable and organized workstation that promotes ergonomic health, this is a great choice. What people say. The desk is very sturdy and stable, even when fully extended. The electric lift mechanism is smooth and quiet, making it easy to adjust the height. The large desktop surface provides plenty of space for multiple monitors and accessories. Number 4. Mount It, Rolling Adjustable Height Desk. Introducing a versatile mobile workstation designed for your dynamic needs. It features a spacious top shelf perfect for your laptop or presentation materials, and a secondary shelf for accessories, creating an efficient workspace. Easily adjust its height to find your perfect working position, whether sitting or standing. With multiple locking intervals, it adapts to your preferred configuration for comfortable use throughout the day. This unit offers generous storage with multiple shelves designed to hold your equipment, including monitors, laptops, and even printers. Its robust construction ensures reliable support for all your essential items. Despite its ample capacity, it boasts a compact footprint, making it ideal for any space. It fits seamlessly into offices, classrooms, or any environment where a mobile desk is beneficial. Glide effortlessly across any floor with its smooth rolling casters. When you need stability, the locking wheels secure it in place, providing a steady surface for your work. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame and engineered wood shelves, this workstation is designed for durability. It's ready for daily professional use in demanding environments. What we like. This rolling desk boasts a multi-tier design with generous shelf space, perfect for supporting multiple devices like monitors, laptops, and even CPUs. With a substantial total weight capacity, it's ideal for those who need to accommodate a lot of equipment. If you need a robust and organized mobile workstation for presentations or a multi-device setup, this is the one to consider. What people say. This is a great standing desk converter. It is very sturdy and easy to adjust. The large surface area is perfect for my dual monitors and laptop. I love this standing desk. It's so easy to set up and use. The height adjustment is smooth and the desk is very stable even at its highest setting. It has a lot of space for my work essentials. Number 3. Mount It, Rolling Standing Desk. Introducing a versatile mobile workstation designed for your comfort and productivity. It features a spacious top shelf perfect for your laptop or monitor, and a secondary shelf for your keyboard and accessories. Easily adjust its height to find your perfect working position, whether sitting or standing. With multiple locking intervals, it adapts to your specific needs throughout the day. This unit offers 4 shelves providing ample storage for all your equipment. It boasts a total weight capacity of 132 pounds, ensuring it can support your monitors, CPUs, and printers with ease. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for any space, fitting easily into offices, classrooms, or home environments. Enjoy the convenience of a mobile standing desk without sacrificing valuable room. Effortlessly move it around on its smooth rolling casters. Two of the wheels lock securely, providing a stable and steady platform when you need it most. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame and engineered wood shelves, this workstation is designed for long-term, professional use. It's ready to withstand the demands of daily operation. What we like? This mobile workstation offers a versatile multi-tier shelving system, providing ample space for all your equipment and accessories. Its robust construction and high weight capacity ensure stability and durability for demanding use. If you're setting up a mobile command center for an office, classroom, or shared workspace and need reliable, organized storage, this desk is an excellent option. What people say. The desk is very sturdy and stable, even when fully extended. The motorized lift is smooth and quiet, making it easy to adjust the height. The large surface area provides plenty of space for multiple monitors and accessories. Number 2. YITAHOME adjustable standing desk with charging station. Never worry about low battery again. With its integrated charging station featuring USB ports and power outlets, keeping your devices powered up is effortless. Experience ultimate flexibility. Effortlessly move it around on its wheels, and adjust the height from sitting to standing positions to suit your comfort. Work or create at your ideal angle. The tiltable tabletop adjusts up to 45 degrees, while the flat side keeps essentials within reach. Keep your workspace tidy and organized. It offers generous tabletop space, an open shelf, and a convenient side bag for all your essentials. Setting it up is a breeze with clear instructions and labeled parts. Should you need any assistance, we're here to help ensure your satisfaction. What we like? This desk comes with a convenient built-in charging station, ensuring your devices are always powered up. The unique 5-angle tiltable tabletop allows for comfortable drawing or reading, while the other side remains flat for your mouse and drinks. If you value integrated power solutions and ergonomic flexibility for creative tasks or extended reading sessions, this desk is a fantastic pick. What people say. The desk is very sturdy and stable, even when raised to its highest setting. The electric motor is quiet and smooth, making it easy to adjust the height. The large desktop surface provides plenty of space for a laptop, monitor, and other accessories. Number 1. Stand-up desk store mobile rolling adjustable height standing workstation. Introducing a versatile mobile standing desk designed to maximize your usable work and storage space. It offers a compact and efficient solution for any office environment. This workstation features a retractable keyboard tray for convenience. It also includes spacious shelves, perfect for storing a printer or other essential items. Easily adjust the height with 11 tool adjustable settings to find your perfect ergonomic position. The smooth rolling casters allow for effortless mobility on any floor type. With a robust weight capacity and BIFMA certification, this desk is built for safety and durability. Assembly is straightforward, getting you set up quickly. As a US-based company, we stand behind our products. This mobile standing desk comes with a limited lifetime warranty against defects, ensuring your peace of mind. What we like? This mobile standing desk is designed for maximum efficiency with a slide-out keyboard tray and a dedicated printer shelf, keeping your essentials within reach. Its tool-adjustable height offers precise customization for your comfort. If you're looking to optimize a compact space with dedicated storage for a keyboard and printer, and appreciate fine-tuned ergonomic adjustments, this workstation is a smart choice. What people say. The desk is very sturdy and doesn't wobble even at its highest setting. The electric motor is smooth and quiet, making it easy to adjust the height. The large surface area provides plenty of room for multiple monitors and accessories. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.